Good evening. Startling revelations in the Uttar Pradesh police investigations into the violence in Bareilly last week. So far, 81 people have been taken into custody, including the alleged mastermind, a prominent Muslim leader who's reported to have planned this violence, including, according to the police, targeting of police personnel to create wider unrest and fuel tensions, not just in the state, but at a wider scale. A report accessed by India Today indicates that the violence was some kind of a show of strength. Several rounds of ammunition, remains of Molotov cocktail, that's petrol bombs, knives, sticks and stones have also been recovered. There have been 2 half encounters earlier today. Police claim there is a statement by Maulana Taqi Raza, says target policemen even if you must. This is to create unrest. This is a show of strength. I'm Gaurav Sawant. We get you all details, but first we bring you this report.
Bareilly violence, scripted mayhem. Exposed conspiracy to create chaos. Maulana's call disrupt city even if cops killed. Chief Minister Yogi warns conspirators of doom.
कुछ लोग रहते भारत में हैं, लेकिन गजवा ये हिंद का नारा लेकर के भारत के अंदर राष्ट्र विरोधी गतिविधियों को बढ़ावा देने का कुत्सित कार्य कर रहे हैं.
80+ arrests, bulldozers rolling. Sinister plot to destabilize India. That is a big focus on India First.
12 bore cartridges, 315 bore cartridges, country-made weapons, knives, Molotov cocktails or petrol bomb remains, sticks and stones have been recovered by the Uttar Pradesh police after the deadly violence in Bareilly last week. 2 half encounters. What does half encounter mean? It means encounters that led to the suspects being shot in the leg have resulted in 2 suspects or 2 suspected rioters being arrested earlier today. So far, 81 suspected rioters have been taken into custody, including the alleged mastermind. Several people from Bihar and Bengal who were in Bareilly are also in custody. The police are now investigating a wider conspiracy. India Today's Arvind Ojha brings you a top story.
Bareilly violence was no accident. India Today has uncovered that a sinister conspiracy was hatched as the UP police probe unravels the entire plot. Sources say the investigation has unmasked Maulana Taqi Raza Khan's close aide Nadeem as the key mastermind. Sources say on September 25th, an appeal was issued on the Ittehad-e-Millat Council's letterhead claiming the government had denied permission for prayers at Islamia inter-college grounds. This set the stage for the riots. According to sources, it was Nadeem who circulated this appeal on the IMC's official WhatsApp group. He then allegedly claimed the letterhead was fake, calling it a forged attempt to sabotage prayers. The message, sent just one day before the violence, set in motion the chain of events. On September 26th, Bareilly erupted. The police FIR makes chilling disclosures. Taqi Raza allegedly told followers to disturb the city's atmosphere, even if it means killing policemen. He allegedly asked mobs to chant beheading threats for disobeying the Prophet. Petrol bombs were hurled. Illegal weapons were fired. Policemen were attacked with batons, sharp weapons. So far, over 80 arrests have been made in just 5 days. 3 alleged rioters have been nabbed in encounters. Bulldozers are rolling, and many arrested are now apologizing with folded hands, saying they were misled by Tauqir Raza.
किसने भेजा था आपको?
उनका क्या नाम, शकील ने।
शकील ने।
हाँ।
कहाँ रहते हैं शकील?
शाहजहानपुर।
क्या कहा था?
जाओ झगड़ा करो जाके।
किस में, रैली में?
हाँ, रैली में।
बरेली पुलिस के द्वारा लगातार बलवाइयों की गिरफ्तारी का दौर जारी है और आज भी बरेली पुलिस ने गिरफ्तारी की है। 17 आरोपियों को गिरफ्तार किया गया है। टोटल 72 लोग गिरफ्तार किए गए हैं। ये देखिए, ये लोग गिरफ्तार किए गए हैं। इसमें एक जो ताजिम था वो गो तस्कर भी था, उसके ऊपर एक FIR दर्ज हुई थी, जो 10 FIR हैं बलवे की।
The probe also reveals the role of outsiders. People from Bihar and West Bengal were allegedly brought in to pelt stones.
हम लोगों का मेन फोकस उन लोगों के ऊपर है जिन्होंने इस पूरे प्रोटेस्ट को ऑर्गेनाइज करने में और जो वहां पे भीड़ एकत्र हुई उसको एग्रेसिव बनाने में जिनकी अहम भूमिका थी, उसके संबंध में हम लोग इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं। जो लोग जेल गए हैं उसमें से कुछ लोग पश्चिम बंगाल और बिहार के रहने वाले हैं। संभवतः 3 लोग ऐसे हैं जो अन्य प्रदेशों के रहने वाले हैं।
From WhatsApp messages to petrol bombs, India Today's investigation shows Bareilly violence was not spontaneous. It was scripted mayhem. With Arvind Ojha and Santosh Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.